In this third episode of Shredgainer, I want us to talk about adherence. Adherence is the most important factor you should consider when you're coming up with a routine. In this case, adherence simply means the ability to stick to something. You can have the best routine in the world, but if you cannot stick to that routine, it is useless. Dr. Eric Helms talks about this in his Pyramid of Training and Strength book. For you to be able to adhere to your routine and program, you need 3 factors. The first factor is realistic. Is your routine realistic? When you go to the gym or in any environment that people are discussing about fitness, you will find people talking about the best programs in the world. And yes, we have good and bad programs when it comes to working out. But it doesn't matter how good your program is if it is not realistic. If you are a busy career person and you have many responsibilities, there is no way you can spend 2 hours at the gym daily. If you are a busy person and you're not training to compete, there is no way you can spend 2 hours at the gym daily. You don't need to. If you have very many responsibilities, then you cannot go to the gym every day. Going to the gym 2 times or 3 times per week may be less optimal, but it is the most realistic way for you to train if that is the only time you can get. The second important factor is enjoyable. If you are training to just look good and feel good and you do not plan to compete, then you must enjoy your workouts. Otherwise, sooner or later you're going to quit. Someone who is training for a competition or some sport may not have this luxury. For them, they can do things they don't like. They can do things they do not enjoy. Why? This is because for the sacrifice they are making today, they are likely to be rewarded with a trophy or whatever they are competing for. But for you, if you're just training to look awesome and that's all, then you must enjoy your workouts. If you dread the gym and you hate your workout, you're not going to last long in the gym. Soon or later, you're going to quit. The third important factor for you to consider when you're creating a routine is flexibility. Your workouts routine and program needs to be flexible. For example, if you're injured and you cannot perform a specific exercise, you should be able to swap that exercise. The same thing applies to plateaus. If you are stuck at some level with an exercise, you can always switch it for another one. And like you, people who are working out to compete must do some exercises. For example, someone who does strength competitions must do deadlifts, must do squats, and must do bench presses. Even though they are the most basic movements and they're going to help you in your routines, you do not need to do the same variations as those people are competing. You can always replace them with something else. Why? Because you are not competing and you can be flexible. Maybe you are traveling and you cannot access a gym. What are you going to do? Your routine needs to adapt to the situation you find yourself in. Thanks for watching to the end. In the next episode of Shredgainer, we are going to be talking about volume.